Alright, the first thing I want to go ahead and sort out in this video is to set up a price filter for our wire content products table in Filament PHP. So let's get started with doing that. There's a really great package out there by Code with Dennis. So we will take a look at how we can install that and set up this plugin in this course. So this price filter plugin, we can go ahead and just compose a required. So if we open up the terminal here, I'm gonna just make it a bit bigger. Then we're gonna go ahead and add this to our custom theme. If you want to specify the currency, you can customize it using the config file, and you can set the theme there and say if you want to use cents. And now we just need to make sure we add a comma in here. I'm gonna go ahead and run npm1 dev, and then let's go into our product resource. And in here so far we've been able to add in all of these different variables, but into our product table we haven't added in the ability to add a price. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. First and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and add in in this case we have the ability to add in stock and price. And let's take a look at this now. If we head into our products, let's just say 101. And we need to go ahead and set up Melisearch. So if we just go ahead and ensure we are running that. Perfect. And then let's go ahead and close the terminal down. Inside filter here, let's add in a price filter. Make price. And then let's say from 10, from $1. So in this case, let's go ahead also and display the price in here. Now again, this would be $1. 100 won't be $1 in this case. And yeah, we can go ahead and set minimum, maximum. We could go ahead and use catching. For this one here, we need to essentially format this. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can format the price in here. Gonna add this onto a new line. Gonna get rid of this CodePilot auto suggestion here. So what we need to go ahead and do in here is say fn state, and we can go ahead and add a dollar sign here. Actually, we can go ahead and use the number from Ilmator support, and we can say currency, and we can say state. So if we take a look at this one here, for example, we need to call this. So if we take a look at this one here, we need to actually use format state using You need to add in if and state here, and then we need to go ahead and say number currency state. And in this case, let's go ahead and see what to take into the currency function. So it's just the number in here and then the currency. But if we take a look at this here, I think if we go ahead and say $9 here, it won't show. And the reason why for that is because we want this formatting to essentially be equal to $1, which is the correct one here. So if we say $2 or 0.5, it will show. So that's kind of where we have the issue right now. So at the moment, we just need to format this. So what we need to go ahead and do in here is actually, in this case, use divided by 3 and decimal 3 here, which gives us a single dollar. And now we can essentially see the price neatly written here, and it's currently formatted for US dollars. So that's essentially how we're displaying the price in here, allowing a price filter as well. And I'm gonna go ahead as well, as a bonus point, going ahead and adding in the stock. I'm gonna go ahead in the price as well to make it numeric, and the stock should be numeric. And then we're gonna go ahead in here and essentially say that these should be required for validation purposes. And I think that's all for this video really. So if we go ahead now and change this to 10,000 here, this would now be $100. And if we go ahead and take a look here, but if you say $1,000, it doesn't work. And if you say price is $299 or $200, it will work. So that's perfect. So we have this neat price filter here and the ability to basically filter between them. And if we go ahead and reset it. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching it. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.